Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the load library failed error 87. The parameter is incorrect. Now this error appears to occur pretty frequently when you are running the Sony Vegas Pro application. So we're going to go about resolving it hopefully without too much of a hassle here. So first thing I would suggest would be to close out of any open programs and applications you have on your computer. And then you want to go open up the start menu. So just go left click on the start button one time. Now I'm going to have something in the description of the video. I want you guys just to paste it in. So it's ATIG6PXX.DLL. Paste that into your search bar on the start menu. And you want to right click on the best match and then select open file location. So you should see a DLL value should automatically come up right here. You want to go ahead and right click on that, select rename, and then after the DLL do another dot and then type in BAK exactly as it appears on my screen. Again, make sure everything is closed out of before you do any modifications here. You don't want anything saying it's currently in use, so make sure you don't have any applications open. So again, type .BAK or period BAK at the end. Hit enter on your keyboard to save that. It says you will need to provide administrator permissions to rename this file. Select continue. If you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, file operations, select yes. Now you've done that, you want to close out of here, restart the Sony Vegas application, hopefully that error message should be resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can always get rid of the .BAK extension, the name of it as well. So restart the Sony Vegas application and hopefully that should be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.